皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のあやなです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to count date, and also I will introduce the month. And at the end of the lesson, we will practice a listening exercise using the date.Let's get started. To start with, let's count just simply from 10 to 1 because we use some numbers. So repeat after me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 1, 0. So we will use numbers. I just skipped the sum of number, but I hope you can count from 10 to 1. And then if it's 11, 11, 10 plus 1, 11. Then if it's 12, 12. So we will start with date, with month. Okay, so we will use the number, then 月. 月means a moon or month. So if you want to count,Well, count means, when you are talking generally, like we will say 1月. Then if it's February, you say 2月. So simply number plus 月. So that's the Japanese way. So if you are English speaker, when you think of the January, February, March,you think as a vocabulary, but in Japanese, it's January is 1, February is 2, March is 3. So that's how you can associate your brain need to work on that way. But once you learn, it should be okay. So it's just simply number plus 月. Repeat after me. 1月、2月、3月. Then I put the yellow here. April is, we don't use 4. We do not use 4.We will say 4月. Repeat after me. 4月. Then May is 5月. Then June 6月. Then July, instead of 7, we will pronounce, instead of 7, we will pronounce 7月. So this is 7月. Then August, 8月. So 8 is 8, so then you add 月. Then September is 9月. October 10月. November is, we will take it as 11. So 11 in Japanese is 11. So we will add 月. 11月. Then 12月. Okay? So let's practice. Go through. Repeat after me. 1月. 2月. 3月. 4月. 5月. 6月、7月、8月、9月、10月、11月、12月。で、例えば、for example, 今は10月ですね。Now is 10月。So we will use 10月。Okay?And if you want to make a question, which month is it, you will take 何月. What month? 何月. Then if how to write it, you can simply use a simple number like in Western style 1月, or you can use kanji. Also okay. So that's the 月. It's like that. If you use kanji, that will be the kanji letter, this word. Or simply you use a number 8.Like same as 8 and 月. For example, 何月日本に行く? Then 4月だよ. So when do you go to Japan? Which month? Then well, means well. Then April. Okay, so that's the month. Then let's move to date. Okay, so let's learn the date.
The date is a special way, so you have to memorize how to say this. So let's practice together. Repeat after me. 1日、2日、3日、4日、5日、6日、7日、8日、9日、10日。Then from 11, mostly 日, but there are a few exceptions. 11日、12日、13日。Then here 14日. So not 日 we use 4日、14日. That's why it's the orange color. 15日. Then what do you think? 16? 16 is 16日。17日. So this one pronunciation 17日。18日。19日。So pronunciation is 9. And 20 is 20日. Okay, so that's how we say. Then in Japanese, date, normally month and date. That's the word order, month and date. Then it continues, but the pattern are the same. 21, 21. Then there are few exceptions. 14日、29日. So that's the how to count the day. And if you want to ask the date, 何日. For example, 今日は何日? 今日は17日. Like that. ひらがなもし読めなかったらこれ見てください。If you can't read the ひらがな, please look at this table. So let's go through again. Pronunciation. We are learning date in Japanese. 1日、2日、3日、4日、5日、6日、7日、8日、9日、10日。If you look at the 4th and 8th, these are sound similar. 4th is 4日. So small 4日. Then 8 is 8日. If we pronounce 8日. So that's different. Then 14 special one is 14日. 19日。20日、20 is 20日。24 is 24日。29日。何日. So that's the how to say the date in Japanese. So let's practice the listening exercise. We can try. Okay, so that's the 5 sentences I prepared. You can listen and then tell me what date I said. First of all, some vocabularies, if you are not sure. A から、I will write it down vocabulary. So if you have a note, you can. A から B まで。So A から B まで means from A to B. You can use from this Wednesday to Friday, Monday to Friday, for example, or destination location from A to B. Then also I use some verbs, which is 休みます。休みます means 休む is original form, dictionary form. To take a rest or take a day off. And then 来ます original form, dictionary form is 来る。来る means to come. To come. So that's the vocabulary I used. Okay. So let's see if you can catch it. So if you have a piece of paper, then we can write it down. 1番。私は、so your job is you listen what day I said. Okay? you listen. Then you take a note. So this is some space. Yeah. So your job is listening. Listen what I say, then take a note if you can catch what I said. 1番。私は9月4日から9月20日まで休みます。2番。友達は8日にうちに来ます。3番。夏休みは12月13日から1月29日までです。4番。娘の誕生日は7月2日です。5番。父の誕生日は4月6日です。How did it go? If you're a beginner, don't worry, you might stuck or have no idea because most students when I do this exercise too fast or couldn't catch the date. So I will say again, so please double check your answer, you catch that. 1番。1番 means question 1. 1番、私は9月4日から9月20日まで休みます。2番、友達は8日にうちに来ます。3番、夏休みは12月13日から1月29日までです。4番、娘の誕生日は7月2日です。7月2日です。5番、父の誕生日は4月6日です。Okay, so let's check answer. So I said 私は means I am 9月 so what I said 9月 I just use a number 9月 pronunciation 9月4日ね4日Oh, maybe I'll go down ひらがな。Normally we don't like it. So I said 9月4日。9月4日 means 9月 means so we learned 9月。9 is Q ね。Q. Then 月 is month. So September. Then 4日 means 4. So 9月4日から9月 same. I use the same month. 9月。The next one is 20日. So this is a special pronunciation. This is I use the kanji here. So it's 20日ね。Read as 20日。So that's the answer question 1. Repeat after me. 私は9月4日から9月20日まで休みます。So which means I'm going to take a rest. Or take a holiday. 休みますね。From the 4th of September to until 20th of September. So when it's まで it's until. So we include this day is also included as a holiday. 休みます is the vocabulary here. Dictionary form is 休む. Then polite form is ます form is む change to ます。Okay, let's move to 2番。友達は so I said 8日。8日ね。I didn't say month, just 8日。So read as 8日にうちに来ます。So that means my friend, 友達 friends, 友達は come to my house, うちに来ます。My friend will come to my house on the 8th. So this one pronounced as 8日. Be careful, similar to 4日, but this is a 8日. 8日. Let's practice pronunciation together. Repeat after me. 友達は8日にうちに来ます。Next, 3番ね。夏休みは、so I said 12月13日から、I will use 30. から、well, that's the normally Japanese writing system. You will use 1月29日までです。Well, I'm in New Zealand, so summer holiday means December for for us for New Zealand. So that's why I use the December. If you are in Japan, maybe that can be Fuyuyasumi. Anyway, that's the practicing. So 夏休み the topic, summer vacation. Summer vacation is 12月13, so which is from 13th of December. So Kara is from until 29th of January. So that's until this. So this sentence uses from A to B, same sentence pattern as question 1 here. Then let's practice. Repeat after me. 夏休みは12月13日から1月29日までです。はい。OK。じゃあ次4番ね。娘の誕生日は、So I said 7月2日。7月2日。So we learn the date. So that's how we say July, 2nd of July is 7月、not 7月、7月2日です。娘 means daughter, my daughter. 誕生日 is a birthday. Then one is it, then this is make it a polite overall sentence. Let's practice repeat after me. 娘の誕生日は7月2日です。Good. It's important to practice together. And last one, 父の誕生日。3 use 誕生日 again. 父、わかりますか？ Do you know 父 means? 父。Another vocabulary, same meaning is お父さん。お父さん is a father. My father's birthday is 4月6日。So 4月6日。This time I'll just this is just I wrote the hiragana for pronunciation purpose. 4月6日。You can add this, but you can drop. If it's drop, the sentence sounds more casual. So 父の誕生日は4月6日です。I will add this here. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. 父の誕生日は4月6日です。はい。How did it go? Did you catch the date? Even you couldn't catch it straight away, it's important to keep practicing. Also, please memorize date 1日to 10日. So it's different to just a number. But the month is simply mostly number plus dots. Okay, hope it helps. So that's it for today's lesson. Well done with your practice. もしもっと学びたかったらオンラインコースをチェックしてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses. You will have the all access lesson videos and you can post your questions. Then I will get back to you. Okay, I will see you next time. それではまたありがとう。さようなら。